Did you know that you can make bacon with bananas? Yeah, and you can actually do that and way more with all your food scraps, according to IKEA's new ScrapsBook. But along with recipes, the book teaches you ways you could use your scraps as deodorants, fertilizers, and even cleaning products. Let's take a look, shall we? Let's start with the recipes because I know you're still thinking about the banana peel bacon. Tip number 1, food scraps recipes. Some of the most surprisingly delicious recipes that I tried were this pulled burger and the banana bacon. Cooking the banana peel bacon is super easy. It's just like cooking bacon, but it does require for you to marinate the bacon beforehand. So here's the recipe. You can pause the video quickly to get the recipe or click the link below in the comments. Making the pulled burger takes more time, but I truly enjoyed the end result. This recipe requires more items, so here's a quick snapshot of the recipe and the ingredients. You can also find the link for this in the comment section below. Buen appetit, or as we like to say in Spanish, buen provecho. Tip number 2, banana peels as fertilizers and plant shiner. Now I hope you have more bananas in your house because there's more you can do with them. Honestly, my biggest takeaway from this book was learning what to do with all the banana peels. If you're looking to help out your houseplants, you can drop a few banana peels into a water bottle, watering can, or any container really, and let them sit for a couple days. This will infuse the water with potassium and phosphorus, which are great for gardens and houseplants. You can also use them as natural shiners. Just rub the soft side of the peel on the leaves of your houseplants. It'll not only remove dust, but it'll also swipe away any small pests and leave them looking super shiny. Tip number 3, eggshells as fertilizer. These seem kind of useless once you get the egg out of them, but eggshells are actually rich in calcium. A single chicken eggshell can contain approximately 380 milligrams of calcium per gram. IKEA's book recommends grinding cleaned and cracked eggshells and turning them into a calcium powder that you can use as a natural fertilizer on your houseplants and garden. Tip number 4, cleaning kitchen supplies. Scraps can make a mess in the kitchen, but they can also help you clean it. For example, the book suggests using a small dried bread crust as an organic sponge to soak up any oils or hardened food stuck on your cast iron pans. You can also use a sliced lemon to rub coarse salt on a cutting board to clean it without leaving it all soapy. Then there's dry lemon or orange peels, which you can add to your homemade vinegar cleaning solution to give it a little extra kick. Studies have shown that some citrus peels actually hold antibacterial properties, meaning they could help keep your kitchen counters clean. And tip number 5, deodorants and bug repellents. Now, if the meal you cooked has a strong aroma or is attracting bugs, the book also has a solution for that. You can deter ants in your home by putting cucumber peels at entrance points. Apparently, ants do not like the smell of cucumber and its peels. The more you know. And if your kitchen still smells like food, you can make a homemade air freshener with leftover fruit scraps. Just boil them in some water on the stove and the aroma will make your home smell nice and sweet. But of course, there's so much more you can do around the kitchen with scraps. You can create your own compost, or you can also regrow some vegetables like scallions and lettuce. You can also use sites like eatortoss.com to find clever recipes to use up as much food scraps as possible. But if you have any unique, fun ways to reuse scraps, let us know in the comment section below. Or let us know if you try these tips and they work out for you. Happy cooking! This is actually really good.